ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the electric dipole. What is the explanation of the electric dipole? Means the electric dipole is the majorly is the if at any two charges and equal opposite charges having, means the two charges in between of the distance is called electric dipole. And another one means if any one of the charge is the product of the distance between of the two charges of the dipole is called electric dipole moment. Means if at any one of the if two charges having, means one is the minus q charge and another one is the plus q charge having, the two charges in between of the distance is the 2a having, the electric dipole moment is a representation of the p dipole moment p bar. Why? Means because the electric dipole moment is a vector form. Direction having means the product of the charge q into distance. The distance of the dipole means 2a, means 2qa. These are the electric dipole moment. These electric dipole moment is a scalar quantity or vector quantity, means vector quantity. But the electric dipole moment vector from the negative charge to positive charge of the direction having, vector form negative charge to positive charge. Always the electric dipole moment is negative to positive only is considered. But now this is the what is the units of the electric dipole moment? SI unit. Here 2 is the constant, q is the charge unit is the coulomb, a is the distance is the units of meter. Coulomb meter is a electric dipole moment of the units. These are the general of the electric dipole moment. If at any one of the particular point having the dipole with axial line, that time what happen, the electric field of the dipole at equatorial line and axial line. Now we will discuss. Now field due to electric field dipole of the axial line, field due to of dipole, field due to dipole in axial line. Now one of the dipole having the dipole of the charges minus q plus q having, but here sum of the distance based, here at one point charge having, point charge, but the center of the dipole to at point charge in between distance is the r, I will choose, but the total dipole of the distance is the 2a. Half of the center of the dipole means this is a distances. Now here the positive charge at point charge time, what happened, the electric field, and negative charge base time and point charge time, what happened, the electric field. The total electric field of the duty of dipole, what is the representation? Now I will explain. Now first at point charge of the E plus Q charge consider time. Here point charge always is the positive charge. Now plus Q and point charge is both are repulse, means away from the positive charge, means now generally electric field formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by distance square. Now here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge is the q by distance. The distance between of the plus q and point charge in between distance is the center to total is A, or at center to point charge is A. Remaining this distance is the R minus A. R minus A whole square. This is the positive direction. And next, the negative charge of the electric field E minus Q is equal to, here negative charge having, point charge always is the positive charge. Now attraction having, attraction means the electric field direction is the left side, means what, towards the negative charge having. That time 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by distance is the, at center to point charge is R, at center to minus Q charge in between distance also A, means what, R plus A whole square. This is left side direction having. Now the total net electric dipole based of the charge field E net is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. Why? Means because negative of the direction is minus Q entered, means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square minus E minus Q, means what, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. Now here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is the common term is outside. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common outside. Remaining Q also is common term outside. Remaining 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Now here the LCM of the two terms is the Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. LCM is the R square minus A square whole square is the LCM. Here remaining what? Means R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square. Here term A plus B whole square, here A minus B whole square term, means Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus 2RA plus A square. Here A minus B whole square, A square means R square plus into minus minus R square minus into minus plus 2RA plus into minus minus A square by R square minus A square whole square. Now here plus R square minus R square plus A square minus A square cancel. Remaining 2RA plus 2RA, 4RA. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4RA by R square minus A square whole square. Now here 2 2s are 4 means my splitting term E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 2QA into R. 2 into 2 I will write form, after Q is coming to here means QRA. QRA wrote by R square minus A square whole square. Here already dipole, electric dipole is the P equal to 2QA, we know. Now 2QA replaced, P substitution, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR by R square minus A square whole square. If suppose A is this dipole distance is very much less than compared to the R, means A is very much less than R, means that time A is neglected, means remaining what, R to the power of 4, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR by R to the power of 4. Now here R cancel, remaining E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P by R cube. field due to of dipole in a axial line. The electric dipole of the means E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube is explaining at the axial line. Now what happened the equatorial line we will discuss. Now field due to an in equatorial line, one of the dipole having the dipole of the charges is the minus q plus q having at the dipole of the point is at equatorially I kept point that time immediately this of the center of the distance of the radius is r, the dipole of the distance is the 2a, half of the distance is a, here also half of the distance is a. Now here the dipole of the point charge is positive charge. Now here the positive charge with positive charge means repulse each other, means go to back side, means here dipole going of electric field, and another one is the point charge is positive charge, here dipole of the negative charge means attraction coming to this side of the field. Here E q, here E minus q, but these distances, how much distances means now apply to the Pythagoras method, means root of a square plus r square, here root of a square plus r square. These are the general form. Now here electric field of EQ equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge q by distance square is the a square plus r square, root and square is both are cancel. Now E minus q also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a square plus r square. Now here the two electric of the dipole based of charge field in between angle is the 2 theta angle having. Why means here angle is theta, here also angle is theta, dipole based of the angle. Now the resultant E net is equal to root of E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cos theta. General formula, here angle is the 2 theta having E1 and E2 both are the equal, means E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E considered, means now E square plus 2E square cos 2 theta root of, now E square plus E square 2E square plus 2E square cos 2 theta root of, here common term is 2E square is common term, remaining 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, writing another form of the means 2E square 2 cos square theta. Now 2 to the 4, E square cos square theta means 2E cos theta, E net. Now E is the electric field of the base charge, means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus E equal to 2 into E is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square into cos theta. Theta here having adjacent by hypothesis. Adjacent is the a having, hypothesis is the root of a square plus r square, means a by root of r square plus a square. Now here E equal to 2 into q into a, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2qa by, here r square root of r square plus a square root of r square plus a square is writing for the another type is r square plus a square whole power 1 by 2 means r square plus a square into r square plus a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 method. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 method. P equal to 2qa we know already dipole based. The dipole 2qa replace dipole is substitution. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by, now here r square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Now here the dipole of the distance is very small distances. Small distances. A is very much less than to the r. That time A is neglected means E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Now 2 to cancel. Remaining finally E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube. At any point choose at equatorial point having means that time the electric of the dipole is the E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube. These are the explanation at the equatorial point of the line. If equatorial point of the line based after, if at any point is equatorially mentioned, that is axial or equatorial or different point based, the electric field based of the formula is the E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube root of 1 plus 3 cos square theta at any point. See now example is applicable of the equatorial point. Equatorial point of the angle is the 90 degree. Substitution in this formula means cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is the 0 something means 0, totally term is 0, remaining what, root of 1 is the 1 means what, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube is the equatorially is proved. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube. Already previous we have discussed the axial line of the equatorial dipole. The axial line of the angle is the 0 degree, that time horizontally means the 0 degree substitution means cos 0 1 square means 1 into 3 plus 1 4 root 4 is the 2 means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. Axial line also we have proved. At any point of the electric dipole of the is means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube root of 1 plus 3 cos square theta. This totally concept is explaining at the electric dipole at the axial line and equatorial line. Thank you for watching this video.